eBooks are one of the simplest and most profitable digital products you can create, and AI makes the process faster and easier than ever. You don't need to be a writer or designer. You can produce a polished, high-quality ebook in just a few hours using AI for research, writing, editing, and layout. Ebooks sell well across all niches: fitness, motivation, finance, parenting, productivity, business, AI, cooking, and self-improvement. Once published, they can generate sales for years with minimal maintenance. An ebook can also be repurposed into blogs, social posts, courses, or video scripts, giving you multiple income opportunities from one asset. With distribution platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Gumroad, and Etsy, you can reach global audiences instantly. This stream is perfect for beginners and highly scalable for advanced creators. The first step in creating a profitable ebook is choosing the right topic, and AI makes niche research incredibly simple. You can ask AI to identify trending topics, analyze real customer pain points, and evaluate competition on Amazon or other digital platforms. AI can also check whether your topic has monetization potential and provide data-driven keyword suggestions for ranking your book on Amazon Kindle. Once you find a strong niche, use AI to generate multiple book title ideas, subtitles, and chapter outlines. This ensures your ebook is positioned for maximum visibility and demand. By validating your idea up front, you avoid wasting time writing a book that won't sell. AI acts as your research assistant, strategist, and market analyst, all at once. Writing an ebook manually can take weeks or even months. With AI, you can create a polished manuscript in just a few hours. Start by feeding your chapter outline to an AI writing tool like ChatGPT or Claude. Have AI generate each section one at a time to maintain structure and consistency. You can also ask AI to insert stories, analogies, expert insights, or case studies to enrich your book and make it more engaging. Use revision prompts to refine the tone, simplify complex ideas, or enhance readability. AI can rewrite sections, improve transitions, and convert your instructions into clear, compelling writing. By the end, you'll have a complete draft ready for editing. Whether your goal is a 20-page mini guide or an 80-page full-length book, AI drastically accelerates production while maintaining professional quality. Your ebook cover is your most important marketing asset. It's the first thing readers notice. AI image tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Leonardo AI let you create stunning, custom cover designs in minutes. Once you have the artwork, bring it into Canva to assemble a polished, professional cover with title, subtitle, and author name. Canva also offers pre-built ebook templates that help format your content quickly. You can add AI-generated visuals, icons, illustrations, charts, or mock-ups throughout your pages to enhance readability. Finally, export your book in PDF for Gumroad/Etsy and EPUB or Kindle format for Amazon KDP. Clean design instantly increases perceived value, helping your books stand out and command higher prices. Once your ebook is ready, it's time to publish and monetize. Upload to platforms like Amazon KDP to access millions of readers and built-in organic traffic. For higher control and profit margins, list your ebook on Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, Ko-fi, or your website. AI can help you write persuasive product descriptions, SEO-optimized keywords, and engaging promotional posts. You can create a funnel where readers get a free chapter or cheat sheet in exchange for joining your email list, then convert them to full buyers automatically. Email sequences generated by AI can nurture leads, deliver bonuses, upsell related products, and turn one book into a long-term revenue stream. Repurpose chapters into blog posts, video scripts, or social content to keep driving traffic to your book on autopilot.